In our last video, we covered how AI is quietly eating the internet. Today, we'll expose the exact mechanics of what happens in the milliseconds between an AI generating an answer and a website losing a visitor. To understand the damage, we first have to separate a traditional website click from an AI citation. A click means a human actually arrived at your digital storefront. A citation just means an AI read your data, absorbed it, and used it to talk to someone else. For 15 years, internet traffic was direct. A user searches, receives blue links, and clicks through to your website. Now, large language models intercept that query. AI drops a generated summary at the top, giving immediate answers and leaving the original website completely disconnected. For 15 years, websites were the final destination. Now, AI captures the user halfway there, rerouting the leads and revenue that used to flow directly to your domain. This interception has created the zero-click search. Right now, roughly 60% of all searches end without a single user clicking on a single link. Think about the last time you looked up how to clean white canvas shoes. 5 years ago, you would have opened 3 different blogs in new tabs to compare methods. Today, Google or Copilot hands you a quick summary of baking soda and hydrogen peroxide, and you never leave the search page. This line graph visualizes the fallout. According to data from Ahrefs, the rollout of these AI overviews has caused organic website traffic to fall off a cliff, dropping anywhere from 34 to 46% across various industries. Many website owners view this as outright theft. They spend hours crafting original content, only for the AI to scrape their hard work, package it into a neat little box, and give them zero compensation or traffic in return. But there is a counterargument. Others see AI as a highly efficient new front door. High-intent users, people actually looking to spend money or solve complex engineering problems, use AI for broad research, but they still require deep human validation before making a real decision. In this view, AI isn't destroying all traffic. It is aggressively filtering out the casual browsers, leaving behind a concentrated pool of users who demand authoritative expertise. This filtering effect creates clear losers. The hardest hit are informational blogs that exist entirely to answer basic what is or how to questions. Their fatal flaw is that their value is shallow. If your entire article can be accurately condensed into 3 bullet points by ChatGPT, the user has absolutely no reason to visit your site. On the flip side, the survivors and winners are businesses offering complex, non-summarizable value. Think B2B SaaS companies, specialized e-commerce platforms, and local service providers. These companies possess assets that AI cannot hallucinate. They hold proprietary data, complex interactive calculators, detailed reference schematics, and original research. The raw volume of clicks is dropping, but because the casual browsers are filtered out by the AI, the quality and buyer intent of the clicks that do make it through are higher than ever before. To survive this, we have to stop measuring success purely by click volume. The new metrics are visibility, AI citations, and answer traffic. This split-screen diagram compares the old method with the new framework, Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. On the left, traditional SEO targets the search bar. On the right, GEO structures your content so that large language models can easily extract and cite you as the ultimate authority. The first tactical step for GEO is changing how you write. Notice the shift on the screen. We are moving away from rigid, robotic, short-tail keywords like best shoes, and writing for fluid, conversational prompts like, what are the best shoes for a remote team under 50 people? The second step is building content depth that forces a click. A summary might tell a user that a specific component works for low-noise applications, but the engineer still has to click through to your site to download the actual schematic and view the real-world performance metrics. The third step is search everywhere optimization. You cannot rely solely on your website. You have to publish natively on YouTube, LinkedIn, and industry forums. These platforms are heavily indexed by AI, and feeding the ecosystem from multiple angles builds your brand authority. Does AI actually steal your traffic? Yes, but only if your content is a shallow puddle, easily absorbed and quickly forgotten. If you build an ocean trench of deep, validated expertise, AI cannot summarize you away. Instead, it relies on your data for its own accuracy, effectively sourcing your site for every high-intent query it answers. Optimizing for raw click volume no longer scales. The goal is to become the specific source AI cannot ignore. If you want to know exactly how to implement this geo strategy for your own business, hit subscribe. Our step-by-step implementation guide is coming in the next video.